In this video, we're going to show you how to insert and remove a page break in Google Docs. Let's go through the steps. First, open your Google Docs document. Now, place your blinking cursor at the point where you want to start a new page. This is called the insertion point. Once the cursor is in place, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, move your mouse to Break and then select Page Break. Right away, the text after the insertion point moves down to a new page. That's how you insert a page break manually. There's also a shortcut. You can press Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard if you're using Windows. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Enter. This does the same thing. It adds a clean page break without clicking through menus. Now let's see how to remove a page break if you don't need it anymore. Scroll down to the new page where the break was added. Place your cursor at the very beginning of that page, just before the first word or line. Now, press the backspace key on your keyboard. This pulls the text back up and the page break is removed. Using page breaks instead of pressing Enter many times helps keep your formatting clean. It also makes your document easier to edit later, since everything stays where it's supposed to. And that's how you insert and remove page breaks in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.